As we viewed in the 13.7 billion year wave spell of cosmic creation, all life as we presently know it was developed in the 28 days of the cosmic moon. Here, there is an exponential multiplication and propagation of the evolution of all species, from seaweed to shells, fish, amphibians, reptiles, dinosaurs, and birds. Then occurred two mass extinctions, one about halfway through the cosmic moon and another toward the end. The reptiles, dinosaurs, were the first to go extinct, leaving the land for the mammals and rodents. Following the second mass extinction, the stage was set for the final 36.5 million years. The 365th day of creation, the cosmic day out of time, is when the complexification skyrockets. At the beginning of the 365th day appears proto-apes, and in the last 15 minutes emerges the beginnings of the proto-humanoids. All of the human evolution occurs in the last hour or last 1.56 million years, 11 p.m. to midnight on the 365th day. The final minute before midnight is equivalent to 26,000 years, a Platonic year or a dream spell, cycle of 5 castles of 5,200 years each, for a total of 26,000 years. The last 5,200 years of the final dream spell castle occurs in the last 12 or 13 seconds. During this time, a massive exponential complexification occurs in relation to the previous 13.7 billion years. We are participating in this process in our little test tube planet at the peak of the cycle of becoming. The human being is just a hinge, a cosmic membrane or medium, which allows the processes of complexification to peek through the mechanization of time and the organic processes that further the species. The final 13 seconds fractal all previous information. Then occurs an ultimate peak magnitude at the very last moments of the 365th day of the cosmic year or cycle of becoming. In the last second, equivalent to the last 400 years, there are exponential jumps, not only of human life, but of all existence. At the very last nanosecond, the curves go vertical, reaching a peak at the end of the 6th day of creation. The population, information, communication and transportation curves all represent massive accelerations of complexification, artificially augmented by the mechanization of time, a factor or cosmic ploy to guarantee a maximal exponential surge to a peak climax. We are now in the final nanosecond, experiencing the recapitulation of this entire 13.7 billion year process. On December 21, 2012, the clock of illusion strikes midnight and concludes the 6th day of creation. The decisive stroke of midnight is followed by the glorious dawning of the 7th day of creation. At this point, an entirely new cycle of 13.7 billion years commences, slowly dissolving matter back into light. The cosmos itself will be seen as the medium of cosmic consciousness to return everything in stages of greater spiritual expansion. A 13.7 billion year process will then be complete in a moment of unimaginable glory. When cosmic history is comprehended by the correct ratios and fractals of cosmic time, the 4th dimensional timing gauges and the 1328 biotelepathic wave spell, then, through application of proper mind training, the entirety of cosmic history will be experienced as a single thought moment, structured as a 4th dimensional cosmic time holon. The cosmic history thought moment makes the entire information core available to all determined and dedicated seekers of the absolute nature of mind. In this way, it can be understood that the 13.7 billion year wave spell of cosmic creation is a phenomenon of the practice of cosmic yoga, the surfboard for all time travelers. This is an extract of the Vela binary pulsar episode Incarnation 11, Beta Transmutation of the Pranic Sphere. This is a function of higher intelligence. No vision can encompass him, but he encompasses all visions.